Vocabulary. Movie. Move. Move. Movie. They are watching a movie. A movie. Pronunciation. Where are they? They are at the movies. Pronunciation. Move. Movie. Movies. Movies is the location. Are they at the park? No. They are at the movies. At the theater or at the cinema, but the most common is at the movies. And activity. They are eating popcorn. Pronunciation. Pa, p, pop, k, pop, k. Or, popcorn, popcorn. He is eating popcorn. Remember, popcorn, no, never popcorns. Always popcorn, singular. And she is drinking a soda. Sewed, a soda. She is drinking a soda. Interesting. Pronunciation. Inter, intra, interest, interesting. So we have different pronunciations. You can say interesting or 3 interesting. Pronunciation interesting. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Question. Where are they?
They are at the movies.
Very good. Question. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Question. What are they doing?
They are watching a movie.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Question. What is he doing?
He is eating popcorn.
Very good. Question. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Question. What is she doing?
She is drinking a soda.
Very good. Question. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Question. Is the movie interesting?
Yes, the movie is interesting.
Very good. Question. Is the movie interesting? Respond. Very good. Vocabulary. It. It is a substitution for a thing. It's not a person. No he, no she. The movie, it. The theater, it. It is quiet. It is. Pronunciation. B. Or. Bore. Bory. Boring. Boring is a description, not interesting. The movie is boring. Pronunciation, boring. Repeat. Very good. And action. Slee. Sleep. Sleepy. Sleeping. Sleeping is the continuous action. Right now, in the moment, he is sleeping. And sleep is the simple action. He is sleeping. Repeat. Sleeping. Very good. Now, the pronunciation for it is. Positive, affirmative, it is. Pronunciation. Id. It is. So, the T, not it is, but it is. Positive, it is. If I make a question, I switch. Is it? You respond positive, it is. It is quiet. Let's practice. Question. Where is he?
He is at the movies.
Very good. Question. Where is he? Respond. Question, is it quiet?
Yes, it is quiet.
Question, is it quiet? Respond. Very good. Is the movie boring?
Yes, the movie is boring.
Question, is the movie boring? Respond. Very good. Question, what is he doing?
He is sleeping.
Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Vocabulary practice. S, sk, air, scare, scary. Remember pronunciation? Air. Make this sound here. Eh. Scare, e, scary. Scary is a description for movie. The movie is scary. Pronunciation, repeat, scary. Very good. Pronunciation. S, sk, air, scare. D, scared. Description for person. She is scared. The movie is scary, but the person is scared. Pronunciation, scared. Repeat. Very good. Question. Is she scared?
Yes, she's scared.
Question. Is she scared? Respond. Very good. Is he scared too?
Yes, he's scared too.
Question. Is he scared too? Respond. Very good. Question. Is the movie scary?
Yes, the movie is scary.
Question. Is the movie scary? Respond. Very good.